Occasionally, the protector needs to send email messages, and to perform this function, until today, it has been using the web server mail service. However, more and more frequently, recipient domains refuse to accept email messages not sent by a legitimate SMTP server. For this reason, the protector can now be configured to use an SMTP server to send emails. This function is available at menu System, Email Configuration. In this page, you can enter the same parameter as on an email client: SMTP server, sender email address. You can also enter a quarantine sender email address. You can enter the username that has to be used to connect to the SMTP server and a password, and save the parameters. Once the parameters have been stored, a message warns you about the need to verify them. This can be done through the test function at the bottom of the page. It has to be noted that the email messages sent by the protector are not stored on the system. If you do not perform the email configuration, the protector keeps using the default system to send the emails. However, using the new system should be preferred.